The market turmoil seen yesterday on Trump's victory was relatively short-lived, with major Asian markets rebounding today. But according to our Kim Min-ji, there could be further market volatility down the line given the uncertainties regarding the former reality show star's campaign pledges.
Korean stocks rebounded on Thursday after the shock of Republican Donald Trump's presidential victory had sent markets into a tailspin the day before. Seoul's benchmark KOSPI closed up 2.26%, while the tech-heavy KOSDAQ added over 3.9%. Korea's main index plunged 2.25% on Wednesday, while the secondary bourse shed about 4% amid the growing uncertainties about the impact that a Trump victory could have on the financial markets and the global economy. On Thursday, markets across Asia also recouped many of their losses. Japan's Nikkei, which had sunk more than 5% Wednesday, gained 6.7% Thursday, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng added nearly 2%.
Today's retrack of FX move and equity gains are due to Trump's softening of rhetoric at his acceptance speech. However, I expect it to be only a short-lived recovery. The extent of how far he will carry out his campaign promises is not yet known, but the fact that he has taken a protectionist and isolationist stance during the campaign is already an unpredictable factor for the market volatility increase.
The rebound in Asia followed overnight gains on Wall Street, with U.S. shares bouncing back on Wednesday after major sell-offs overnight. Investors seem reassured by Trump's key policy priorities, which include generous tax cuts and greater spending on infrastructure and defense.
President-elect Trump is actually sounding very conciliatory toward the other side, also emphasizing the need for us to work in a unified fashion. I think that's sending a positive message to those on Wall Street.
However, given the absence of the new president-elect's experience in politics or policymaking, experts say it may be too early to call it a recovery, saying the lingering uncertainties could trigger further market volatility down the road. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.